Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. In the last class, I explained and I have given the notes of lesson number 2, that is green wealth. I think all of you have written the notes. If you have written the notes, please open that lesson number 2. That is lesson name is green wealth. Now I am going to read the odd words, fill the blanks, question answers and all. Okay, children. This is revision for you. So first main hard words. So first is branches. Spelling branches. Branches. Second one hibiscus. 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 Third one plants. 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 Fourth one spread. 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 Fifth one lower. lower. Sixth one clusters. 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 Seventh one bushes. Bushes. Eighth one shrubs. Shrubs. Ninth one creepers. Creepers. Tenth one hard. Hard. 11th one stem. Stem. 12th one provide. Provide. 13th fodder. Fodder. 14th one manure. Manure. 15th one firewood. Firewood. Children, so these are odd words. Once again I will repeat. First one branches. Second one hibiscus. Third plants. Fourth spread. Fifth lower. Sixth one clusters. Seventh one bushes. Eighth one shrubs. Ninth one creepers. 10th one hard. 11th stem. 12th provide. 13th fodder. 14th one manure. 15th one firewood. So this is hard words. So next main, that is third main, write the colors of different parts of the plant. Okay, children? So the plant is there, no, that have different parts, no, so you must write the color name. Okay, children? So first one leaf. So leaf which is in which color? So leaf is in green color. Spelling is green. Green. Second one stems. Stems is in which color? So it is grey and also brown. So the stem has two colors. That is first is grey. Second one is brown. Spelling of grey is grey. Grey. brown. So the stem has two colors. First is grey, second one is brown. Third one flowers. So you have seen flowers now, children. There will be variety of colors in the flowers. So they are brown, yellow, red, white and saffron. Okay, children. So 5 colors it will be. Still more color it will be, but I have given only 5 colors here. So spelling of brown is brown. Yellow, yellow. Red, red. white. saffron. So the colors of the flowers are brown, yellow, red, white, saffron. Next fourth one roots. Roots means barrow. So only it has one color, that is brown color. So spelling of brown is brown. So fifth one fruits. Fruits means hannu. So the colors of fruits are red, yellow, green. So red spelling is red. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. So fruits has many colors. So I given you 3 colors only. So red, yellow, green. Student, sixth one, unripe fruits. So that is in green color, G-R-E-E-N, green. So once again I'll read that one. Leaf, green. Stems, grey, brown. Flowers, brown, yellow, red, white, saffron. Roots, brown. Fruits, red, yellow, green. Sixth one, unripe fruits, green. Children, next question answer. Answer the following. What are herbs? So the given question here, what are herbs? Herbs are small plants and have soft stem. Spelling H-E-R-B-S, herbs, A-R-E-R-S-M-A-L-L, small, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, A-N-D, and H-A-V, have, S-O-F-T, soft, S-T-E-M-S, stems. Herbs are small plants and have soft stems. Second one, what are shrubs? Answer, plants that are shorter than trees are called shrubs. They grow bushy. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, T-H-A-T, that, A-R-E-R, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter, T-H-A-N, than, T-R-E-S, trees, A-R-E-R, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, T-H-E-Y, they, G-R-O-W, B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. So this is the second one answer. Third one, what are trees? Answer, very tall plants are called trees. V-E-R-Y, very, V-E-R-Y, very, T-A-L-L, tall, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, A-R-E-R, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, T-R-E-S, trees. T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-V, have, H-A-R-D, heart, S-T-E-M, stem. So what are trees means? Trees, very tall plants are called trees. They have odd stem. Fourth one, what are creepers? So creepers have long stems, but they are smaller in size and spread on the ground. Spelling C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. H-A-V, have, L-O-N-G, long, S-T-E-M-S, stems. B-U-T, bud, T-H-E-Y, they, A-R-E-R, S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller, I-N, in, S-I-Z-D, size, A-N-D, and S-P-R-E-A-D, spread, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Creepers have long stems, but they are smaller in size and spread on the ground. Next, fifth one, what do plants provide us? So what are the things that we get from plants? The question is, what are the things that we get from plants? Answer, plants provide food, fodder, manure, firewood, fruits, medicines, etc. So spelling P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide, F-O-O-D, food, F-O-D-D-E-R, fodder, M-A-N-U-R-E, manure, F-I-R-E-W-O-O-D, firewood, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines, etc., etc. Next, sixth one, what are epiphytes? Answer, small plants growing on the branches of big trees are called epiphytes. Spelling S-M-A-L-L, small, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, G-R-O-W-I-N-G, growing, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches, O-F, of, B-I-G, big, T-R-E-E-S, trees. A-R-E-R-C-A-L-L-E-D, called. E-P-I-P-H-Y-T-E-S, epiphytes. So, small plants growing on the branches of big trees are called epiphytes. Okay, children. So, these are the question answers. Next, fill in the blanks. That is second main. Okay, children. First one, fill in the blanks. Crops are grown in the dash. So, in the dash, we must write field. Spelling is F-I-E-L-D, field. Dash and lily are grown in water. So, it is a flower name. So, which flower grows in the water? So, lotus and lily. So, in the dash you write lotus. Spelling is L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Third one, dash is a creeper plant. So, which is a creeper plant that grows on that climbs on the tree and it wants a support. So, pumpkin. So, in the dash you write pumpkin. Spelling is P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Fourth one, leaves are dash in color. So, leaves which color it will be? So, it will be green. So, in the dash you write green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Plants like clusters are called bushes or dash. So, in the dash you write shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Sixth one, coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves are used for dash. So, in the dash you write cooking, means ಪುದೀನ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಕರಿಬೇವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. Coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves are used for cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. So once again I'll read, fill in the blanks, listen carefully. Crops are grown in the field, F-I-E-L-D, field. Lotus and lily are grown in water, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Pumpkin is a creeper plant, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Leaves are green in color, G-R-E-E-N, green. Plants like clusters are called bushes or shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves are used for cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. So, these are the mains that are in the second lesson, that is green wealth. Any doubt, children? So, in the next class I will give you UT, so prepare for UT. Okay, children? Thank you, children.